Hey there! Let's learn a new word together. Before you start, please hit the like button if you enjoy our content and subscribe to this channel if you're learning English. Stay up to the end of this video and you'll learn a fun fact about the English language. Let's begin.
Trigger. Trigger means small device that sets off mechanism. For example, he pulled the trigger of the shotgun. He pulled the trigger of the shotgun.
Awesome! You learned that quickly. Let's put it in some sentences to understand how to use it.
The first exemplar. Now he just had to pull the trigger to launch the missile. Now, repeat after me. Now he just had to pull the trigger to launch the missile. The second exemplar. Many handbow archers use sights and latches with triggers called mechanical releases. Now, repeat after me. Many handbow archers use sights and latches with triggers called mechanical releases. The third exemplar. He wrestled his finger free from the trigger and turned to fire again. Now, repeat after me. He wrestled his finger free from the trigger and turned to fire again.
Now let's learn an interesting fact about the English language.
The most used adjective in the English language is good. The most common noun in the English language is time, and the most mispronounced, and often misspelt, word in the English language is pronunciation.
Thank you so much for watching this video up to the very end. If you're not yet subscribed to our channel, hit the subscribe button below. If you're new to our channel, the links to our most popular playlists are below in the description. We've prepared playlists for different levels of English, and they're good for different goals that you might have. Maybe you want to take an exam, or maybe you want to improve your fluency. So check them out and see you very soon. Bye-bye.